Beekeeper's Naturals, Kids Propolis Cough Syrup, 4 fluid ounces, 118 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Highly concentrated 25 mg propolis extract per serving, immune supporting elixir made with buckwheat honey plus elderberry plus vitamin C and D. Dietary Supplement certified B Corporation, female founded, immunity support powered by propolis, throat soothing, gluten free. Help them bounce back. Made with nature powered ingredients like buckwheat honey, elderberry, and propolis, this potent blend soothes throats and supports their immune system. Benefits of propolis. Delivers 300 plus beneficial compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Third-party pesticide testing to triple check that our hives and our products are pesticide-free. Known for protecting the hive, we use it to support our immune systems and combat free radical damage in the body. Sustainably sourced. We never overharvest from our hives. We always ensure that our green apiaries are remote and far from harmful chemicals. Suggested use. Shake well before use. Children 1 to 3 years old take half a teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters, every 2 to 3 hours. Children 4 to 12 years old take 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, every 2 to 3 hours. Use up to 4 times daily or as directed by a healthcare professional. Use within 90 days of opening. Other ingredients. Vegetable glycerin, potassium sorbate, preservative. Warnings. This product contains honey and as such it should not be used by children under 12 months of age. As with any dietary supplement, if your child is taking medication or has allergies, consult your healthcare professional before use. Keep out of reach of children. Do not purchase if seal is broken. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.